aspirants of 8th standard in mathematics, I prepare a video to teach the aspirants in such a way so that they will come to know about each and every term in mathematics. Whatever it is given in the syllabus, in CBSE board, ICSE board and the state boards, the first chapter in 8th is rational numbers. Correct? Now see, in junior class also, this video is prepared for 8th standard in mathematics subject. The first chapter is rational number. Rational number. Now see, a number which can be represented or can be written, can be represented in the form of P by Q, provided Q not equal to 0, it is called a rational number. It is called a rational number. A rational number. Okay. Now concentrate your brain here regarding why the condition is given here that Q not equal to 0. As we know that if Q will be equal to 0, the whole fraction will be undefined. Correct? We can't define because it becomes infinite, as you know. Because when we divide any number by 0, we will get infinite or it is not defined. Correct? So, to avoid such a circumstances, we conclude that in the case of a fractional form of a number, denominator should not be equal to 0. That is why it is written like this. Correct? As for example, now see here, example, suppose 2, 3, it is rational number because 2 may be represented as 2 by 1. In rough, just I teach you here, dear students, 2 may be written as 2 by 1. That means in the denominator of 2, 1 is hidden. Correct? We should not write the answer like this. We should not write 2 by 1 as answer. Okay? But we have to write only 2 because if you will write 2 by 1, it will be not correct. It will be incorrect. But when you will write here 2, suppose 4 is coming here. Then any student is writing the answer like 4 by 1, it is not correct. 4 will be the correct answer. Now see, 1 upon 2, 3 by 4, all are rational numbers. Correct? 4 by 6 like this. Okay? In root, just we will have to do here root 4, it is rational because the root of 4 will be plus minus 2. Root of 4, what we study in junior classes, it is plus minus 2. Correct? Now see, root 9, it is rational, but root 3, it is not rational. It will become irrational. Later on, we will have to study about this, okay, etc. Now see here, the shortest form of etc. is etc. etc we are writing, but we are not reading like this. We should write etc. Correct? So, the first point I describe you in details regarding a rational number like this. Okay? Now see, it is also written in the book according to the definition, a number in the form of P by Q or a number which can be expressed in the form P by Q where P and Q are integers. Correct? Now let us come to know about integers. Slightly in junior class you may have studied about this, but just I do want to describe you so that if any student did not know integer very clearly, then they will have to clear their concept here only. Correct? Integer. In Hindi it is called Purnank. Correct? Integer, the Hindi word is Purnank. जैसे इसके नाम से स्पष्ट है, ये पूर्ण अंक है. करेक्ट? जैसे एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 1, 4, 3, 9, 7, 8, ये सभी इंटीजर्स कहलाएंगे. Either it is in plus or minus, positive integer, negative. You may write here plus minus like this. Correct? So all are integers. That means in Hindi it is called Purnank, पूर्ण अंक. करेक्ट? पूर्ण अंक मतलब 2 जो है वो it is complete number. 1 is complete number, 4 is complete number. But see here, in example just I put 2.1 or 2.1. It is not integer. Why? Because it is not a complete number. 2.1 will be written as 21/10. Correct? So it is not an integer, but this term is in the rational form. So it will be a rational number. Why? Because here P, in place of P it is written 21, in place of Q it is written 10. That means P and Q are integers. According to definition here, P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Correct? Each of the numbers is a rational number. See here, either it is in plus or minus, maybe. So, an integer just I define here. Now next point regarding this syllabus is, next point is lowest form a rational number. You little aspirants of standard 8. In this point, I will describe you those terms which you do not know regarding this, or still you did not aware with those methods. Lowest term, lowest form of a rational number. Just I am going to solve it on the board, on the page only, sorry. Third point, just I am going to describe you about the lowest form of a rational number. Correct? Now see, either it is written lowest form or shortest form. Shortest, in some questions it is written, or in book shortest form. Both are correct. Now suppose any term or any fractional rational number just be considered here, 125/25. Correct? It is a rational number where in place of P it is, in numerator it is 125, in denominator it is 25. Now we have to bring the rational number into its lowest term or lowest form. How can we do this? Now we have to find the greatest number, the largest number by which both can be divided. And as you know, to find the largest number, what we have to do? We have to find SCF, because highest common factors. Correct? Or higher common factors. These are the methods. Whenever we have to find the largest number, naturally we have to find the SCF, and when we have to find the least number, then we have to find LCM, as you know in junior classes. So here we have to find the SCF of 125 and 25, and as we know that we will get 25. Okay, now see, by 25 this 125 is divided by you, as well as this 25 is also divided by 25. Correct? Now what do we get here? 125 is divided by 25 by us, then we will get 5 as a result, and here we get 1. So 5 by 1 we can't write, just we have to write only here 5. So this rational number has the shortest form like this, 5 by 1 or 5 it is. So the main point regarding finding the lowest term is to dictate whether the largest number by which both can be divided, numerator as well as denominator. See, these can be divided by 5 also. See here, concentrate here. These can be divided by 5 as well as 25. But we should not divide it by 5. We should divide it by 25 at once. Because if you will divide it by 5, again you have to divide that lowest term by 5 again. Naturally, we will have to divide here 25, we will get the result. Few questions just as solved here on the page to give you the best concept regarding this topic. Just I am going to find few questions from the exercise. Correct? This book is R.D. Sharma book, which is provided according to the Ncert syllabus. And just I am going to teach you from this only. Don't afraid of the writers or the different publications. The same thing is written there. Correct? Just I am going to find a suitable question to find the lowest term into its form. It is not given here. Suppose just I do the question like this here. 20 upon 28. From example, just I collect here. 20 upon 28. A rational number is given. Now we have to bring it into its shortest form. Whatever I told you, that how can we come to know that by which number both can be divided, by which number, and that number must be greatest in its value. Now see here, we have to find the SCF. Naturally, we will get the SCF of 28. And as you know, according to your junior class syllabus, that if we have to find the SCF, the greater number is divided by the least number. So here 20 is less and 28 is greater. Naturally, we will have to divide 28 by 20. So 21 are 20 it will be. Correct? Now 8 as the remainder here. Now by this remainder we have to divide this division 20. Now we will get maximum value 16. 4 it comes. Now again by 4 you have to divide this division. Okay. 4 to the 8. This is the method by the division process to find the SCF. So what will be the SCF here? Here SCF not 2. 4 is the SCF. This is the answer. So here SCF is 4. Naturally, we have to divide the numerator as well as the denominator by 4 here. And we will get here 5 by 7. So this is the shortest form of a given rational number. Whenever you will face such type of problem, you have to do according to this. You will do never any mistake, and you think that this is the best method to identify by which number. The main thing is by which greatest number we have to divide both. To find this, we have to find the SCF first. Okay? And then we have to divide both the numbers, numerator as well as denominator, by SCF. And we will get the result. If you will do like this, you will do never any mistake. Wait for the next class. I will give you each and every terms concept regarding mathematics, science, SST, English, in each and every subject. Just I prepare so many videos for the 8th standard and all the classes from standard 2 to 12. Just I prepare to give the best concept through the channel. And if you will learn each and every day and will do according to my instruction, you will not face any problem in study. Okay, thanks. Wait for the next one.